I-factor bone graft is a bone graft substitute material for use in the repair of bony voids or defects in orthopedic applications throughout the skeletal system, like the spine and long bones. I-factor bone graft is a pure natural form of hydroxyapatite called anorganic bone mineral, or ABM, that contains P15, a synthetic 15-amino acid peptide. P15 mimics a cell-binding domain of type 1 human collagen and is responsible for osteogenic cell attachment to type 1 human collagen. P15 readily absorbs to ABM due to electrostatically charged surface sites on the ABM onto which P15 is bound. P15 is irreversibly bound to the entire surface and all the defects of the ABM. I-factor putty is placed into a bony defect in the presence of bleeding bone. Enough putty is used to fill the entire defect. I-factor can generate appropriate biomimetic microenvironments for osteoblasts and demonstrates the potential for the exploitation of extracellular matrix. I-factor bone graft will only stimulate bone growth in the presence of bone-forming cells and forms a physiologically stable complex that encourages cell migration, attachment, and proliferation. I-factor increases the opportunity for cell binding in the fusion site by making an abundance of P15 available to osteogenic cells. Osteogenic cells bind to P15 via alpha-2 beta-1 integrins. Cell binding between P15 and alpha-2 beta-1 integrins will facilitate the flow of mechanical and chemical information within the cell and the extracellular matrix, which contributes to the production of specific growth factors and cytokines. The normal cascade of events leading to new bone formation is initiated. Natural bone healing occurs, leading to fusion. I-factor is the only bone graft substitute that uses a unique anorganic bone mineral and small peptide attachment factor to target specific integrins in osteogenic cells. This novel mechanism of action enhances the natural bone healing process.